Located between the stylish dormitory district of Jesmond and the open space of the town moor lies Exhibition Park. Created by Parliament in 1870, it had been the town bull enclosure, hence the name Bull Park. When Queen Victoria had been 50 years on the throne in 1887, the park was expanded for the Jubilee exhibition. Its new name came from this date. All that remains of that celebration is this ornate bandstand. Today, the park provides a variety of recreational facilities. Here, near the entrance, is the 2014 skate park. The tennis courts prove popular. The many paths provide for runners and cyclists. The Children's Adventure Playground is a safe place to burn off that energy. Two croquet lawns are kept pristine. The centrepiece of the park is its lake, now devoid of rowboats, but home to ducks and swans. Beside the lake is the Palace of Arts, the only remaining structure from the 1929 North East Coast Exhibition of Industry, Science and Art. William Milburn of Sunderland designed 7 pavilions in the Art Deco style. Because it housed valuable paintings and sculpture, the Palace of Arts was a more substantial building, using a steel frame. It was connected to the main avenue by a bridge over the lake. All but the Palace of Arts was swept away at the end of the exhibition. For many years it was a science museum, then later it housed a collection of military vehicles. However, in 2011 the council sold it, saying that the upkeep was too costly. Shepherd Offshore stepped in, spending almost £2 million on restoration. It is now leased to the Wylam Brewery, producing fine ales and cask beers. Beyond the Palace of Arts is the miniature railway, maintained by the Tyneside Society of Model and Experimental Engineers. 3 gauges are catered for, with steam trains providing rides during the summer. The park is the venue for annual events, such as the Mela, a carnival of Asian cuisine, music and art, and Northern Pride, an LGBT-themed festival. Exhibition Park attracts visitors on sunny days and is popular with the people of Tyneside. I hope you found it so as well.